Hi, good day everyone. Welcome back to this amazing tutorial channel. So today we'll be looking at word problems in fraction. Let's start. The first question says, what fraction of 5 weeks is 5 days? Good. Now, for you to be able to solve this question perfectly, you observe something clearly that the weeks is not in the same conversion with days. So you are expected to convert these 5 weeks back to days. Since we know our criteria that 7 days makes 1 week. So we can change these 5 weeks back to days. Since you don't know the number of days for 5 weeks, we can use that to be X days now. We don't know. It will give what? 5 weeks. Right? So when you cross multiply this, it's going to give you X multiplied by 1 gives you X. 7 multiplied by what? 5. So this is going to give you what? 35 days. So that means 5 weeks is equivalent to what? 35 days. So that means 5 weeks is equivalent to what? 35 days. So we have been able to convert the weeks back to days. Now we now want to get the fraction of 5 days, 5 days or 5 weeks. Means, let me put it up, 5 days of 5 weeks. It means 5 days all over for 5 weeks now is going to be 35 what? Days. Please, do you understand that? Okay, so the days can cancel out the days. You are left with 5 over what? 35. So 5 here 1, 5 here what? 7. So our fraction remains as what? 1 over 7. So that's our fraction. And that's all for the first one. Now the second question, I will also need to write here. You can pause the video and write this. So the second question says, by how much is the sum of this less than this? Means the summation of this, when you sum them together, must be less than this value. So the interpretation means 7 is greater, that means minus, which is positive now. Can you see? So summation of these two, 3 whole number 2 over what? 3 plus 2 whole number 1 over what? 5. So we can solve this. That will be 7 minus, we convert this. This is going to give you 3 times 3 gives you 9. The 9 plus this gives you what? 11 over 3 plus this times gives you 10. 10 plus 1 gives you what? 11 over what? 5. Of course, this same thing as saying 7 minus. We look for the LCM here. The LCM here is what? 15. So 15 divided by 3 gives you 5. 5 times 11 gives you what? 55. Plus 15 divided by 5 gives you 3. 3 times 11 gives you what? 33. So this is equals to 7 minus. When you add these two together, it gives you what? 88 over what? 15. Then similar things, you look for the what? LCM. The LCM here is what? 15. 15 divided by 1 gives you 15. Right? Then 15 times 7 gives you what? Gives you 105. Yes. Then minus what? 88. Okay? So 105 minus 88 will give you what? 17 over what? 15. So that's our fraction. So this is a fraction that will make the summation of this to be less than this one. So, and that will mark the end of today's class. Okay, so please, and this is going to also be the last class on fraction. But there are other questions on fraction that involve a linear equation. So my next topic now is linear equation. I'll first take the linear equation first, and I'll take the word problems in linear equation. Okay, so that will lead to also fractions too. So, but this is the last class on fraction. My next topic is linear equation. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a like, share this video, and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel to receive any update from this channel. Bye for now.